Ever wondered what the heck a credit score even is? You're not alone. It can feel like this mysterious number controls your entire financial life, yet nobody really explains what it's all about. But fear not, credit-curious comrades, because today we're diving into the world of credit reporting and tackling a question that trips up a lot of people: Experian versus Credit Karma? Hold on, before we break down the differences, let's rewind a sec. What exactly is a credit score? Imagine it as a report card for your borrowing habits. It tells lenders how likely you are to repay a loan. The higher the score, the more responsible a borrower you appear, potentially unlocking better interest rates and loan options. Okay, so how do these scores get calculated? This is where the credit reporting bureaus come in. These are companies that collect information about your borrowing history, like credit card payments, student loans, and even how often you pay your phone bill on time. They then compile this data into a credit report, which lenders use to generate your magic number, the credit score. Now, let's get to the main event: Experian versus Credit Karma. Experian is one of the big three credit reporting bureaus, along with Equifax and TransUnion. They're the OG credit report creators, basically the ones writing your financial report card. Experian has access to your credit report and uses that information to generate your Experian credit score. This score is most commonly used by lenders, so it's a good one to keep an eye on. On the other hand, Credit Karma is a free online service. They don't create your credit report or score themselves. Instead, Credit Karma pulls your credit information from Equifax and TransUnion, two other major credit bureaus, and gives you free access to those reports and scores. It's like having a free copy of your report card from two different teachers, but it's important to remember these might not be the exact scores lenders see. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Credit reporting: Experian creates your Experian credit report. Credit Karma shows reports from Equifax and TransUnion. Credit scoring: Experian generates your Experian credit score, often used by lenders. Credit Karma shows scores from Equifax and TransUnion, might differ slightly from what lenders see. Cost: Experian offers free and paid credit report and score access. Credit Karma is completely free. So, which one should you use? Credit Karma is a fantastic tool for free credit monitoring and getting a general sense of your credit health. It can help you identify errors on your report and track your progress over time. However, if you're applying for a loan or need the most accurate score for a big financial decision, it's wise to check your Experian report. This is the one lenders are most likely to use. Here are some bonus tips. You're legally entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute any errors on your report. Both Experian and Credit Karma offer tools to help you with this. Remember, your credit score is just one factor lenders consider. Building a healthy credit history with on-time payments and responsible borrowing habits is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Stay tuned for more personal finance hacks, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more.